Prime secured, bro.
Did someone say Prime?
Prime fucking secured, man.
45 a pop. Let me know now. 45 a pop. Oh, now the pink one goes for 60 and the blue one 100.
Bam.
The red one 25. No one fucks with this.
Hold on, let's see the Prime. Let's
Bro.
show the logo. What you doing? What you doing? There you go.
You gotta stack them like fucking Legos. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, boy. If you want this combo right here, this combo alone right here, 120.
No cap.
120 for 4. 120. Find a better price. Find a better price. You can't.
You can't.
Do not show the 7-Eleven right there. Do not show the 7-Eleven. Bro, don't do it, bro. Don't
Nah, bro. First sip of fucking. Wait, no. First sip of fucking Prime for Sion.
Alright, you're fucking mad. I finally got it. After what? 6 months of waiting. I finally got my hand on some Prime. Kissy. JJ Olatunji LBDT. Let me see how this tastes, yeah? You're mad. Wow, that's actually really good. That's actually fire.
Yeah?
I'm not even gonna lie, that's just fire. That's just fire.
Okay.
I don't even like blue raspberry like that, but that's like a calm blue raspberry flavor. I like
Fire.
that. Try it.
Bang.
That's
my
calm.
son.
That's calm. I fuck with that. KSI, Logan Paul. Good job. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
Y'all ain't fucking around with this one.
Boys,
Y'all was not fucking around with this one. I'm not gonna lie, this is heat. This is gas.
Yes, steady.
Try that shit out.
This is my honest opinion, non-biased.
Literally, this is the most unbiased opinion you can get here.
I don't
Logan
even drink
Paul.
energy drinks like that.
Word.
So this is like prime. It's prime time, baby.
Tastes like a better bang.
Yeah, honestly. Like, that's flock.
Honestly.
Oh! 3 for 3 gas! 3 for 3.
3 thumbs. I would give it 3 thumbs.
Ooh! That's tough.
2 thumbs up.
2. You know what? That's 6, man. We calling it 6 man thumbs up.
6 thumbs up for the bad man from the UK.
That's
The
actually
nightmare.
bad.